Open floor plans for a kitchen design. A good kitchen design layout is very important if you want to run a cost-efficient kitchen. Proper planning at the start will help you avoid any unnecessary expenses during the construction process and in the future as well. Aside from that, you get many other benefits and enjoy many advantages, too. A great kitchen should not only look good but should also function well. The design should entice people to gather around to create and enjoy good food. The design should also aim for the convenience of the person doing around the kitchen so that the ingredients, kitchen tools, equipment and appliances are easily accessible. This will help prevent certain parts of the kitchen from rotting because of non-use. If you are already thinking about building a kitchen for your new home or perhaps remodeling your current one, you always have the choice to look over open kitchen floor plans to help you decide on how your new kitchen should look. If you want other features installed or removed, you can also modify the open floor plans.